What's up, everybody? Let me tell you, we are about to dive into the future of cooking. Imagine this. Perfectly chopped veggies in seconds, no more messy strainers, and you'll become a grill master with this one crazy gadget. We're talking game-changing kitchen tools that'll make you feel like a 5-star chef. Get ready to upgrade your kitchen game because things are about to get delicious. Seriously, it's gonna be awesome. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Fullstar vegetable chopper. This thing is like having 4 gadgets in one. First up, it's a chopper, slicing and dicing your veggies with lightning speed. Need some perfectly spiralized zucchini noodles? Boom, it's a Spiralizer. But wait, there's more. This bad boy is also a slicer and a handy container to store everything. Plus, it's got those stainless steel blades that'll last you longer than my attention span in a candy store. And guess what? Over 116,000 people on Amazon agree. This thing is a must-have. Next up at number 4, prepare to be amazed by the Mueller Pro Series chopper. This beast comes with 8 interchangeable blades. We're talking dicing, cubing, julienning, you name it, this thing can handle it. And don't even get me started on the huge container. This is not your grandma's tiny food processor. We're talking family-size portions, people. Fruits, veggies, even nuts. The Mueller Pro Series chews through it all. It's super easy to clean, and with over 33,000 positive reviews, you know it's the real deal. At number 3, we've got a problem solver that's about to change your life. The Kitchen Gizmo Snap End Strain. This little genius clips onto any pot or pan, so you can totally say goodbye to those bulky strainers. Made with heat-resistant silicone, it can handle even the hottest pasta water, no sweat. And the best part, it folds up nice and small, saving you some precious drawer space. It's dishwasher safe, and wow, over 39,000 people are absolutely raving about it. Coming in hot at number 2, it's the Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest. Okay, this might seem simple, but trust me, it's a total game changer. It holds up to 4 utensils at once, so you don't have to deal with messy spoons on your countertops anymore. Made from heat-resistant, non-slip silicone, it'll keep your counters clean and your sanity totally intact. It's dishwasher safe, because honestly, who has time for hand washing? Over 31,000 people agree. This is seriously how you keep your kitchen spotless. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 kitchen gadget is the Meter Pro Duo Smart Wireless Thermometer. This thing is honestly the king of the grill. It's got dual sensors to monitor both the internal temperature of your food and the ambient temperature of your grill. But here's the kicker, it's 100% wireless. No more tangled cords or opening the grill a million times. The smart app gives you perfect cook times and sends you alerts, so you'll never overcook your steak again. It's heat resistant up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and comes in a super stylish wooden case. This is next level grilling, people. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 kitchen gadgets that are about to revolutionize the way you cook. From perfectly chopped veggies to perfectly grilled steaks, these gadgets have totally got you covered. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound culinary skills. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome gadget reviews. Until next time.